Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Then go and assign the role of manager to the individual people and whoever is the manager. Okay. Give yourself around an hour or two to finish this assignment. You should not take this long, but at least still give yourself an hour or 2 hours at most to do this assignment. Okay. Alright. Anybody who is still doing assignment 1? Still not done with assignment 1? Myself? But I'm from thinking too. Okay, I'm doing. And I'm doing. Okay. Alright. Thank you. I don't know. No worries, nobody. But yeah, try to finish it with it by this weekend. I know it's the Holy Weekend. You guys will have plans, but still take out an hour or so and try to finish it off. Right, so try to finish off the assignment 1. Because I would want to. I don't want you to lag behind it, especially in terms of assignments. Please. Thank you. I know you are. You have a lot of other things to take care of, but please take this 1 hour and try to finish this assignment. If you are able to do assignment 2 over the weekend, very nice. Right, well and good, but try to finish at least assignment 1 by this weekend. On Friday evening, 6 p.m. Pacific. The tenant will go down for maintenance. That is a normal behavior. Do not get too upset over it. It is normal behavior that the tenant will be down for 12 hours from Friday 6 p.m. to Saturday 6 a.m. Pacific time. So for it trans data to India time. It is like from entire morning of Saturday, it will be down, and also afternoon, it will come up again late evening. So don't plan to do anything on a Saturday morning if you are in fear. Ever. Not part of the training. Ever. Okay, do not plan to do that. You do not work. Right. Okay. So I am sure you would be able to do this assignment. If not, I will share the solution to you next week. Alright, so now let's start talking about another very interesting topic. And that is, sorry, I have a question. Cliché. I don't know whether it was right to ask. So, like in position management and job management, we have two different things. Right. So we will be assigning job profiles to each and everything. I was confused on this part because I have seen hiding training manager in job management, and I have seen like we have created a position to have. How does this work? Okay. If the job profile mandatory at the time of hiring? Yes. Yes. So you have to specify a job profile, irrespective of whether it is position management or job management. So when you create a position, you may put in the job profile. At that point, you may write. When you create a position, Even when you set the hiring restrictions you may put in the job profile. Right. But okay. But when you are doing the actual hiring, at that point you have to specify the job profile. Okay. So I did it in one way. When I was creating the position, I did not put the job profile. But when I set the hiring restrictions in the job management, I used a job profile just to show you that it can be done. Right. But when you are actually hiring, that is the point that you have to choose a job profile. It is kind of stuff. You have to choose a job profile at the time of hiring. Okay. So whatever it might be, we have to choose it. And, as like in position management, if I say I want to hire some HR manager, so I'm a teacher title as HR manager, and I'll link it with the job profile. So when it comes to job, yes. When it comes to job management, is there anything that we can like? Title or something? So that's why I'm confused. The other thing is, yeah, you take it from the job profile. Okay. Take it from the job profile. So the job profile will have a title. So yes, it will be up from there. And after you hire, there is a concept called the business title. If you want to change it, you can change the business title of a worker. Right. So you can do that as well. It's a business title. So you won't change the job profile or anything, but we will just change the business time. So I'll show that to you. But as of now, just focus on hiring workers. Focus on hiring workers by creating, as part of the management tool, it will be job management anyway. So yeah, create multiple job profiles and use it for hiring. Krishna have a doubt. So we have the Skype profile and location right. So what are the significance of having it in location? Why not in the job profiles or hiring restrictions? That's that. Why is it in the works? That's how work. They works because it puts it in the location. That's how it is designed. So it picks it up from the location. Any reason or the reason is? I'll just take a guess. Well, I am not sure why it was actually designed in that way, but maybe they say that okay in. Maybe the number of hours makes more sense with the location. Because maybe let's say, in France people work for 35 hours a week, right? Maybe in US it is 40 hours a week, because that is more generic or more related to the location and the local laws. That's maybe the reason that they did it in that way. It has to do with the local laws. Maybe just taking a guess. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, and we have learned that when we create an employee for hiring, we can assign a company. So when are we going to do it? Is it during a compensation financial time company? Which way is signed, or? Yes. Yes. Yes, no. So no, not during a compensation when we do our business process. When we do our business process, then we will add a step in the business process where we will assign the organizations. As of now, if I look at the organization. So if I look at the members, but in Waters, and I look at his job and organizations. If I look at his organizations, do we see a company and cost center automatically filled? Yeah. Where did it come from? Anybody. Interrupted.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.